Today we are diving into two incredible skincare facials that is natural and you can make this at home. That is Amla Facial and Milk Facial. If you are looking for a natural
Give it a
glow,
good mix.
clear skin and
I'm
hydration,
taking 3
these two
Indian
are
gooseberries
absolute
in a
game
mixer
changers.
to get a coarse
We will
powder
explore
out of
the
it.
benefits
Link
of
in the
each,
description box
show
from where
you
I
the
bought this powder.
step-by-step
Should be the
process of a
consistency
facial,
of the face
how
pack.
to prepare and also apply them. So grab your skincare essentials and let's get started.
Gooseberry facial for brightening, tan removal and pimple-free skin. Before we start, we're gonna make amla juice. For that, I'm taking 3 Indian gooseberries. Chopping it. Gooseberry will make your skin acne-free, reduces dark spots and scars, fights pimples and gives you a flawless, clear and glowing skin. The first step is cleansing. For this, we're gonna take unboiled milk. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of amla juice and 4 teaspoons of raw unboiled milk. Dip a cotton ball into the solution. Apply it onto your face. Do this step for 3 minutes in circular motion. This step will remove dirt, oil and cleans the skin. Milk will reduce pigmentation, heals dry skin, hydrates the skin, heals acne and relieves sunburn. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. The second step will be scrubbing. For this, I have taken oats powder. Grind oats in a mixer to get a coarse powder out of it. Don't make it a smooth powder, let it be coarse. I am adding 2 teaspoons of oats powder and 4 teaspoons of amla juice. Mix the ingredients to get a smooth paste. This should be the consistency. Apply the mixture onto your face and rub it for 2 minutes gently in small circular motions. Do not scrub on the pimple-prone area. If your face is fully affected by pimples, then apply this only on nose and chin. Do not use on pimples. Gooseberry removes dead skin cells, it removes blackheads and whiteheads, and also it gives you that flawless, clear and glowing skin. Oatmeal powder treats acne. It treats dry skin and removes dead skin cells. It also removes the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliates the skin. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. For the third step, we are making a tan removal clear skin face pack. For this, I am using orange peel powder. I will leave the link in the description box from where I bought this powder. Add 2 teaspoons of orange peel powder. Add 4 teaspoons of amla juice. Mix the ingredients to get a smooth paste. This should be the consistency of the face pack. This vitamin C rich face pack reduces pigmentation, removes dead skin and making it brighter. It clears acne scars, reverses the sun damage and controls excessive oil. Apply this face pack and let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with normal water. This face pack is really good, especially if you're prone to acne and pimples and you want that clear glowing skin this summer. I'm going to make a milk facial at home. This facial brightens the skin instantly after doing the facial for the first time itself. Milk helps to reduce pigmentation, heals dry skin, hydrates the skin, heals acne and relieves sunburn. It removes stubborn tan and reduces dark spots. This facial is for people who want clear and glowing skin. Milk facial is easy to make and cost effective. For the first step, we are making a skin cleanser. For this, I am taking 3 teaspoons of unboiled milk. To that I am adding 2 teaspoons of rose water. Dip a cotton pad into the solution. Gently wipe your face for 3 minutes with a cotton pad. This step will remove makeup and cleans the skin. Rose water soothes the skin irritation, reduces skin redness. It prevents acne and heals scars. It hydrates the skin and maintains the pH balance of the skin. Second step will be scrubbing. For this I am adding 2 teaspoons of green gram powder. I am adding 5 teaspoons of milk. Give it a good mix. Apply this mixture onto your face and gently massage it for 2 minutes in small circular motions. Do not scrub on the pimple-prone areas. If your face is fully affected by pimples, you can apply this only on nose and chin. Do not use on pimples. Green gram removes the dead skin cells and brightens up the texture of the skin. It gives a healthy glow to your skin. Milk gently exfoliates and reduces dark spots. After scrubbing for 2 minutes, wash your face with normal water. For the third step, we are making a brightening, glowing and even complexion face pack. For this, I am taking 2 teaspoons of besan. I am adding 5 teaspoons of unboiled milk. Mix it well. When done, apply this paste on your face and let it dry for 20 minutes. Besan removes tan. It prevents acne from coming back. It controls oil. Milk gently exfoliates the skin and cures your acne. It deeply clears the pores of excess oil, dirt and blackheads. Wash your face with normal water. For the last and final step, we are making lip mask for moisture. For this, I am adding 2 teaspoons of milk. I am adding 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix it well. Apply this onto your lips and leave it for 20 minutes. Honey moisturizes the lips. Milk softens the rough and hard lips. Do try this milk facial at home, which moisturizes the skin, brightens and exfoliates it, controls acne and clears pores. Do this milk facial once in a week.
I hope you enjoyed watching this facial. Do let me know which one you are eager to try. Also, do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, next time, take care.